Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're introducing an incredible new template, Grunge Titles Opener. This is a perfect choice for anyone looking to add a cinematic, dramatic and grungy touch to their projects. Whether you're working on movies, video titles, historic demonstrations, openers, TV shows, or anything else, this template will give your work a stunning and professional look. The download link for this template is right here on the screen, in the description of this video and pinned in the first comment. Here's why this template stands out. It's multi-purpose, so you can use it for a variety of projects. It supports Ultra HD 4K resolution, ensuring top quality visuals. No plugins are required, making it super easy to use. The modular construction lets you customize everything easily. Light leaks effects are included, adding that extra dramatic touch. You'll have access to a global control panel for quick adjustments. A free font is included, so you don't need to search for one. The duration is 44 seconds, perfect for an impactful opener. A video tutorial is included to help you every step of the way. All you need to do is change the text, add your media and audio, and render. It's that simple. The download link for this template is right here on the screen, in the description of this video, and pinned in the first comment. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing templates. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram for even more creative content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. Now we'll leave you with a detailed tutorial on how to edit the template effortlessly. See you in the next video.